How do you pick the perfect category to guarantee sales within your Clickbank affiliate marketing business? You don't want to miss this. What's going on, fam? EricEllisJr. here, the Wolf of Marketing, and welcome to Wolves Nation. If this is your first time coming across one of my videos, and make sure to hit that subscribers button, make sure to hit that notifications bell to get notified every time we drop some new heat and some new fire, helping you get one step closer to living a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And guys, if this is your first time coming across me, your boy, I'm here to help you guys out. My name is EricEllisJr. I'm a digital marketer, and I teach people how to get results online. And if you guys don't have an affiliate marketing mentor yet, go ahead and hit the first link in the description. Grab access to my inner circle, which will literally be the blueprint. It's like the sauce, the secret sauce to succeeding in affiliate marketing, right? Now let's get into it, guys. Niche selection. Why is it important to find a good niche? Is because without a good niche, you're not going to go ahead and get results within your affiliate marketing business. So what are the big three niches? Health, wealth, and romance. Why? Because they're evergreen. So this is day 2 of the free Clickbank affiliate marketing course. So if you just stumbled across this video, guys, this is a whole course for free. It's a whole playlist. You can find the link in the description, grab access to the playlist, and literally I'm going to teach you from scratch how to start a Clickbank affiliate marketing business empire for free, right? With that being said, if you guys haven't watched the first video already, go ahead and watch the first video, right? Click the link, click the playlist, watch the playlist, right? Study it, rinse, and repeat. So health, let's cover the niches, right? Health is basically, once you go on Clickbank, right, you're going to see these, you're not going to see these 3 niches. I'm going to show you how to find these 3 niches on Clickbank, right? So on the left-hand side, well, first you have to click Marketplace. Once you click the Marketplace, it's at the top right or the top middle of Clickbank. You're then going to go ahead and get access to a tab of red tabs that says Categories. In these tabs, right, you're going to see one of these tabs say Health and Fitness. If you click that, drop down below, what I'd recommend is diet and weight loss products. Now there's going to be multiple drop downs. I'd recommend diet and weight loss, and we're going to cover why in a second. Now if you guys are more so into the wealth niche, right, then if you guys want to find that, the 2 that you're going to be looking for is business and investing, and then you're going to see something that says e-business and e-marketing. When you press e-business and e-marketing, you're going to get access to all the BizOp and MMO offers. BizOp is basically a business opportunity, and MMO is make money online. We'll cover that a little bit in depth in a second. And then in the category section, in order to find romance, you're going to click the self-development tab, or self-help, I apologize. The self-help tab, you're going to get access to these 2 romance categories, which is dating, guides, and marriage and relationships. Now, first and foremost, all 3 of these niches are evergreen. What does that mean? They will never go out of style. So kind of like a couple months ago, cryptocurrencies were booming, right? Everybody was talking about cryptocurrencies. Oh, we're going to get rich off of cryptocurrencies. Now, if you were to look at cryptocurrencies today, yeah, people are still crushing it, but those are the people who are really a part of that industry, right? It's kind of like a cricket. Nobody's really talking about it anymore. The only people who are talking about it are people who are genuinely into cryptocurrency. So it's kind of a fad, right? Health is never a fad. There might be different fads within health, like vegan and keto diet, but the niche within itself will always be there. Wealth, there might be trends like crypto or something along those lines, or the next big thing, and whatever, right? But there will always be offers in wealth, right? And then last but not least is romance. There will always be offers in wealth, and let me explain why. So when it comes to health, people always want to go ahead and improve their appearance, right? Back in the day, everybody wanted a nice body. Today, everybody wants a nice body. Moving forward in the future of time until the end of time, right? People will want to make their appearance look good, right? The older people get, their body isn't how it used to be, right? So if you have something that can solve that problem, a Clickbank product is the solution to that problem, right? You'll always have a marketplace to market to. Same thing with wealth, right? People are always going to be wanting to make money. That's why you're watching this video right now, because you want to make more money. So with that being said, you're always going to have people to market to. And romance, people are always going to want to improve their relationships. People are always going to want to learn how to get into a relationship. People are going to want to learn how to talk to the opposite sex. People are going to want to learn how to attract the opposite sex, maintain their sex life, maintain their relationships, right? So all of these are evergreen. You're always going to find a plethora of profitable offers within these niches. So it's key. Now, there's a whole bunch of other niches, but there's some reasons why you guys want to go ahead and do these ones. And we're going to cover that within the pros. Now, health, wealth, and romance, most of them have the same pros. So the first one that we already covered is evergreen, right? They're evergreen products. Now, the thing is that with them being so broad and having such a large audience, right, they're scalable. What that means is let's just say I was to do a smaller niche. So a smaller niche may be something along the lines of golfers, right? Now, it's still a big niche, but it's much smaller than something like health and fitness, right? So with that being said, once I spend a whole bunch of advertisement dollars, I might literally max out the amount of people that I can advertise to, because everybody's seen my advertisement materials over and over again. With health and wellness, because it's so broad, it's going to be hard for you to cap out that full audience. So whenever you're doing advertisement, right, you can scale it. You can scale your income because you're always going to be able to place your advertisements in front of new people. So that's what scale means. You're going to be able to scale all these because it's such a broad audience that you can market to. Now, as far as a need, right, what are some of the problems, right? Health and fitness, right? People want to lose weight. People want to look good, right? There's a need. Supply and demand. Wealth, right? Is there a need for wealth? Yes, people want to make more money. Is there a need for romance? Yes, right? So the question is, which one of these work best for you? This might be kind of tell you which one you might want to look into, right? So what are some of the cons with health and fitness, right? So with health and wellness, this is the most competitive niche. Now, the reason why health and fitness is the most competitive niche is because it's the easiest to target to, right? And one of the reasons, right, one of the pros that I forgot to mention is most people in health and fitness who are trying to lose weight, so dieting and weight loss, are middle-aged women. So what that means is that middle-aged women have money to spend. Number one, women like to shop more. And number two, middle-aged women have more money to spend. When it comes to wealth, right, these are people who are trying to accumulate wealth, right? So with that being said, a lot of these people might be broke. So it's going to be harder to get sales. This is easier to get sales. That's why everybody markets to these people, because it's women who have money, right? So that's one of the pros. But one of the cons is it's extremely competitive. This is the most competitive marketplace. So you're going to be competing with freaking real deal marketers who know what the freak they're doing. So what happens is the less competitive it is, it's going to be easier to market to. So it's easier over here when it comes to, yes, people have money and it's easy to target, but you're competing with people. So that's kind of like the pro and the con part. Now, when it comes to wealth, another one of the cons is that the guidelines, guys, it's very hard to get weight loss ads approved, right? So you need to know how to properly advertise, and that's why it's important to go through this full free course, right? So, because we'll cover that later on. Next is health, right? Some of the cons is that it is competitive. It's definitely nowhere near as competitive as health, but it is competitive. The guidelines, it is, guys, Facebook ads, and you can't do income claims. Like with all these advertisement platforms, a lot of them don't like business opportunities and make money online opportunities because of the second thing. There's a lot of shady offers, right? Because there's a lot of shady offers and novice advertisers who don't read the guidelines and just try to throw up ads and try to throw up anything, right? It's given this industry a bad name to where the guidelines are hard to get ads approved. But number two is, guys, there's a lot of shady stuff. You want to make sure that the product, the best way to figure out if you'd promote that product or not is ask yourself the question, would you sell it to a family member, right? If you wouldn't sell it to a family member, you should not promote that type of product, right? But one of the benefits of it is that it's pretty easy to target these type of people, right? It's easy to target people who want to make money, right? And romance, and we're going to be covering that in the next video, which is about avatars, right? In the next training video for the Clickbank free course. Next is romance, right? So one of the things is that it's competitive, but it's definitely not as competitive as these two, health and wellness, or excuse me, health and wealth. But one of the negatives is that it is harder to target people. Way easier to target health and wealth, harder to target romance, right? But the cool thing is, even though it's a little bit harder to target, you're not competing with as many people, right? And it is a little bit easier to get an ad approved. So with that being said, which one of these three are more interesting to you? Because if you're passionate about it and you could talk about one of these all day, then it'd be easier for you to advertise, right? But at the end of the day, I'd highly recommend these. If you look on Clickbank, there's a whole bunch of categories, but you want to figure out which one has like the best option for you. Like which one has the best option. Figure out which one has the figure out which one works best for you, right? I just had a brain fart, whatever. So with that being said, guys, that is niche selection. That's how you find a niche. Figure out which one works best for you. If you guys like that video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notifications bell so that way you can get notified for every video that I drop, but most importantly, get notified for the next time that I actually drop tomorrow's video. And with that being said, guys, if you guys don't have an affiliate marketing mentor, because I'm gonna give you guys access to this free mini course, but this does not compare to the information you guys are gonna go ahead and get access to inside my exclusive inner circle. Members only content, as well as members only coaching calls and webinars, and access to a mastermind group and community for members only, right? Right now, for a limited time, 50% off. Click the first link in the description and grab access to that inner circle right now. But with that being said, if you're just catching this, not the day that it was dropped, but a little bit longer, you guys can get access to the whole course. You can wait after to the next video, or you can click one of the links in the description and get access to the playlist. But as always, guys, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Your boy, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.